Hello junior geologists. Have you ever seen pictures of lava flowing down a mountain? That fiery mountain is called a volcano. Volcanoes are powerful forces of nature that can shape the earth in exciting, and sometimes explosive, ways. Today, let's explore how volcanoes work, why they erupt, and some famous volcanoes around the world. What is a volcano? A volcano is an opening in the Earth's surface, usually on a mountain, where magma, hot, melted rock, can escape. When magma comes out, it's called lava. Along with lava, volcanoes can also shoot out ash, gas, and rocks. Volcanoes usually form along the edges of tectonic plates, which are giant slabs of Earth's crust that move slowly over time. How do volcanoes erupt? Here's a simple way to understand how a volcano erupts. Deep inside Earth, it's super hot. So hot that rocks melt into magma. This magma builds up in a magma chamber under the volcano. When pressure becomes too strong, it blasts. The magma bursts through cracks in the Earth's surface and erupts as lava. Sometimes, volcanoes also release ash clouds, steam, and even loud rumbling sounds. Some eruptions are calm and slow, with lava oozing out, while others are explosive and shoot ash high into the sky. Types of volcanoes. There are three main types of volcanoes. Shield volcanoes, wide and gently sloping, with slow, runny lava. Stratovolcanoes, tall and steep, with powerful, explosive eruptions. Cinder cone volcanoes, small and cone-shaped, formed by lava fragments. Famous volcanoes around the world. Mount Vesuvius, Italy, famous for destroying the Roman city of Pompeii in 79 AD. It's still active. Mount St. Helens, USA, erupted in 1980 and changed the whole shape of the mountain. A very famous explosion. Mount Fuji, Japan, a beautiful and iconic volcano, often seen in Japanese art. Mauna Loa, Hawaii, one of the largest volcanoes on Earth. It's a shield volcano with slow lava flows. Krakatoa, Indonesia, had one of the loudest eruptions in history in 1883. The explosion was heard thousands of kilometers away. Cool volcano facts. Some volcanoes are underwater. They're called submarine volcanoes. The word volcano comes from Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Volcanic soil is great for farming because it's rich in minerals. Lava can be hotter than 1,200 degrees Celsius, 2,192 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than a pizza oven. Fun at-home volcano experiment. Want to see your own mini volcano? Try this simple science activity. You'll need a plastic bottle, baking soda, vinegar, red food coloring, a tray or plate to catch spills. Steps: put a few spoonfuls of baking soda into the bottle. Add some red food coloring. Pour in the vinegar. And watch it erupt. It's a safe and fun way to see how pressure causes eruptions. Now it's quiz time. What is melted rock called when it's inside the Earth? Which type of volcano is wide? What is lava called before it erupts from a volcano? Which famous volcano destroyed the city of Pompeii? What causes a volcano to erupt? Now you know all about volcanoes, from how they erupt to where they're found. The Earth is an amazing, ever-changing place. So the next time you see a mountain puffing smoke, you'll know exactly what's going on under the surface.